guys, welcome back to Jamaican Evil Family. You may recognize me for some of my videos. So, make sure you like, subscribe, comment, share. Let's get into it.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel today. It's been a while we haven't posted any video because he's never at home. He's always out working. So I only make videos when he's at home.
Follow the road for 6 kilometers.
So today he's taking me to their event that they usually keep every year. So that's where we're going today. I'm looking forward to it, to see how the Igbo people do their thing. So we're on our way. My babies.
Please.
And my mom.
No. Yes, look.
So I'm looking forward for the food mostly. So guys, yeah, as I was saying, I'm looking forward
Follow the road for
the
5
food.
kilometers. Follow the road for
The different
5
kind of food
kilometers.
that I've never eat. So yeah, so we're just on our way. And we are late as usual. Always late. Yeah. My bad kids at the back.
What is at the back?
My bad kids.
I'm bad, your language bad.
You hear him? I'm bad. If he's bad, my language is bad.
Oh yeah, I told your mom.
You keep on criticizing our Jamaican accent.
Wow.
Yeah, you have problem with we. You see, it's like everybody have problem with Jamaicans.
Mom,
Even this little one that just born the other day come up and having problem with Jamaicans. Leave us with our accent. What?
all the other Jamaicans speak better than you, honestly.
Here, all the other Jamaicans speak better than me.
He have never had so many Jamaicans speak.
Exactly. Don't worry. When I take it to Jamaica, then you will see how they speak.
Your mom speaks better English than
Because he
than
want me to
Jamaicans.
speak all the time. He want me to speak proper British accent. He want me to speak the Queen English. I don't want to speak the Queen English because I wasn't born in here. I was
Nobody
born
will
in.
understand you.
I was born in Jamaica. I wasn't.
No, you Jamaicans have to keep up your culture. Don't let
That is
anyone
true.
bully you guys into their own culture. Keep up your
Yeah, it's,
culture.
yes.
That's why Jamaica is popular and popular and well known and standing out. Just keep your culture.
I mean,
Keep
like,
your patois.
no, I mean, like,
No?
really, this little boy, he might bully me. Like, really, a bully me if you speak English. Like, you know, like, you want me to speak the Queen English.
Yeah, people will always think like that until they get tired of it and then they will want to speak with you guys. That's what's happening.
Yes, because I was watching a video today, and the guy is from America, and he went to Jamaica, and he was speaking the Jamaican patois, and he never sound good.
Yeah,
He just never sound good.
yeah.
And Julian, you can't even speak Jamaican.
Yeah, because I'm not from Jamaica, ain't I?
Yes, no, and I'm not from England, ain't I? I'm from Jamaica, and I love my country,
Hey, Jamaicans,
and I
let me
love my
tell you,
accent too.
any Jamaican, if you're listening to me now, keep your language. You guys have lost the culture of names to prove your identity, your cultural identity. You've lost it because of the mix-up, English and the other things. All your names are ex-slave names. Both your surnames, they are all ex-slave names. Not only you, Jamaica, even we homeland Africans, most of us have lost it. We are trying to imitate ex-slaves by imitating their names, you know. But what you have now not lost is your speaking style. Keep it.
But you see,
Don't lose it.
no matter how long a Jamaican live in the UK, yeah, even when that person reach 90, you'll hear that strong Jamaican accent. One thing Jamaican, a lot of Jamaican, they don't like dash with them accent.
Yeah.
It's just some IT tighty stush one who want to go back home and show up on people, and then dash with their accent.
Oh, yeah, one important thing, ladies and gentlemen, if you're listening to me, you see, trying to speak someone else's language is not a show of intelligence. It is a mistake that very illiterate people used to make. Once some illiterate person learns to speak other person's language, the person will think that he or she now
It's better than the other
better
person.
than the other person,
Or
because
higher than the other person.
or higher than the other person.
Yeah.
That is the behavior of traitors or house slaves, you know,
Yeah.
or pure stupidity.
Yeah,
Speak your language.
You ever hear somebody Jamaican, you fucking cunt, and you know, and then dash with them accent, and then they can try use them little British accent. They can try to intimidate you.
It is not intimidation.
Yeah, I know, but that's what they try to do.
Yeah, they think it's intimidation, but in the real eyes of sensible people, it's stupidity. Is a thing of a shame. You can't talk to your fellow country someone
And
in another person's language thinking you are doing good. It is show of shame, show of how stupid the person is by trying to speak other people's language, be it English, be it Dutch, be it Spanish, be it any other language. People think if you speak English like English people, then I don't even know, then you're wise, or then you're intelligent, or you know anything. No.
And then guess what the funniest thing about it, yeah, is when like then drop is when they
see me.
Yeah, it's when they find themselves in a circumstances, yeah. Like the other day, you know, the other day when England was under this protest, this riot, all these things. You see, every Jamaican, even British, start coming down with the Jamaican accent. Everybody now want to be Jamaican because they may use the accent as a form of protection.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Even who is not Jamaican, everybody wearing the Jamaican logo, everybody starts speaking Jamaican accent, mostly black people. Just because that little accent, when people hear it, they, you know, it kind of, oh, I'm a Jamaican, we won't trouble them, you know what I mean? So you don't know how important your accent is, yeah? Your culture is. Not because you're born here, a Jamaica you come from. Because anything, the first thing they will say is a Jamaican.
Yeah.
They want to say, oh, it's British born. The only time they will tell you you're British born is when you be an athlete or somebody great with thinking to their country.
Somebody great to
That's
them.
exactly what I'm gonna be.
When you are somebody great to them, when you are yielding profit to
Yeah.
them, not for yourself, because if you're athletic or footballer or something, you're not making all that money for yourself. If you think so, it is just what Dr. Omar termed as an illusion of inclusion. If you are yielding fruit, they will praise you, let you have a lot of money in your bank, not in your pocket, and not in your interest. Because if you have millions here in England, it's not yours, unless if all those millions you have is in where you can control, where you have a say, where your dad can be a judge or prosecutor.
And you know the funniest thing,
and then you know you have something.
And you know the funniest thing, yeah, like if we upload a video and I'm speaking Patois, like Raba and Patois, you know that anyone who comments under the videos and say, why can't she speak better English? I can guarantee you that those persons that say it are Jamaicans. Those person that's saying it is Jamaicans, you know.
Yeah, some English too. Yeah.
No, I know he's Jamaicans.
Oh yeah.
Those person that comment and said stuff like that, they are Jamaicans, because that's how some Jamaicans say. If they travel go even a small country for 2 weeks, they will go back to Jamaica and start speaking English or start twanging. You know, in Jamaica we call it twang. Then start IT tight and a twang.
But we were from a Jamaica.
Yeah, understand?
Yeah.
So imagine me there here. Yes, I am here over 20 odd years. I know, and I have strong Jamaican accent. Before, you see, back in the days, I used to just speak English. Like, people never usually recognize, say, me a Jamaican.
Yeah.
Because the people that me used to hang around with.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah.
But this now my little boy, eh?
You see, it's not always our human beings, our ability to reason should not always depend on what they tell us to do. You know, people come here for education. People come Oxford, Cambridge for education. That's not the only place you can gain knowledge. You see, that's not even the knowledge. The knowledge you get in Oxford and Cambridge is only knowledge that suits these people that is owning the Oxford and the whatever university that is here. There is knowledge everywhere. It depends on how you develop your own and keep your own.
You know how funny it is, yeah? If you look at those Nigerians bloggers, they don't speak proper English. They talk in their whole Nigerian way, and it sounds funny. But you wanna even find out a Nigerian and start them off like, why don't they speak better? Why don't you know? And look at the Indian people. The Indian people only talk their language.
Not only everyone.
And then if somebody come police or anything, they say no speak English, no speak English.
Go to Malaysian community.
You understand?
Malaysia, for instance, Sri Lanka, India, Arabs, Italians. There is no how that English person will travel to Jamaica, and then when he's in America or here, he's going to be speaking Jamaicans to people in a serious way, trying to tell those people that he speak patois when he's trying to prove his point is useless.
It's so funny, yeah. All right, now Jordan, my little baby, you tell me say I should speak better. I shouldn't speak patois, but why you learning Spanish in school? You think anyone can tell the Spanish people don't speak Spanish?
I mean, I like Spanish because...
So why you like Spanish but you don't like the accent where
the
you come
reason why
from?
I like Spanish is so when I go to Spain again, I can understand.
Oh,
I
okay.
can speak their language.
Okay. So you don't want to speak a Jamaican language?
I mean, I'm gonna have to learn. I don't
You
know how to
see,
speak.
listen.
Guys, I don't know how to speak it right.
Listen, you see, sometimes some people think some names sound bad or funny, but it's not.
So what is bonus this?
The only thing is,
Okay.
Prepare to keep straight on
the
zero.
owners of that name have not yet
Bonus
made it
this,
popular
you know,
enough
Professor.
for people
I
to
don't
get
know.
used to that name.
Okay.
There are some ugly names
means
that
good
is
morning,
now accepted as
teachers
good names.
and schoolmates.
Example is Lamborghini.
Una,
Lamborghini,
Keep straight on after
doesn't sound
300
well,
meters and
but,
follow Bell Lane.
you know, they name
yeah,
it
too.
into some kind of they name it into a beautiful
Yeah.
car
Una
and make it
knows
so
stress,
popular and so
Yeah,
common.
and branish. They
And
make sure they
brand
brand it to
it.
They
me.
brand it,
I know,
and now
I know.
if Lamborghini
Yeah,
looks like
Sad.
sounds in people's
No
memory
stress.
or people's expectation like a good thing.
Bukati or whatever they call it.
Yeah,
Ocho.
all those things, you know. So
I know.
it only
Keep
depends on
straight
us to make our own thing good,
That's good.
you
See, I
know.
know a little bit of it as well.
Exactly. I remember one time somebody called me on the phone and the person was bullying me and I was speaking
Follow the road
pure
for 8
English, yeah?
kilometers.
And the person would never stop. And as soon as we start telling the Jamaican Rab and Patois, the only thing I hear, oh, she's Jamaican, and the person ain't gonna never call me back. Seriously, no joke.
Yeah, that is identity culture. You have to identify you have
Yes.
to identify yourself that you are this and you are
Yes.
this. If other people is other thing, okay, but you are this and you're good with it. And if collectively we are all like that, no one is going to bully another person.
Yes, because the
Yeah.
person thought I was an English person, so they think I'm easy to be bullied. You know.
So, as I was saying, if you come to Harvard or Oxford or foreign school, they teach you what is good for them, what benefit them, what they tell you is accepted worldwide. It is them that say those things are accepted worldwide. It is them, it's not you. Those things might not be accepted in your own area. It might not work in your own personal, your own personal background. And why is it like that? Because they popularize their own school system, popularize their own institutions. So if you want to belong to their institution, you have to get certified by them. And this is how it all starts. We abandon our own. We don't support our own. We think the other one is better. And then before you join them, you have to abide to their rules and regulations. And then it seems like if it's better.
It's true.
Yeah.
It's always just we sell out our own people, innit?
Just imagine if Jamaica is industrialized. Jamaica produce lots of sugarcane, produce a means of producing lots and quality of sugarcane, fish, everything. Then Jamaica set up companies, car companies, water company, everything, and then they need workers. And then
But we have all of that.
Huh?
We have water company, we have sugar company.
No, I mean if
We have all of that, we have Oliver company.
well, I mean if it is made big.
Yeah, well, it's big now.
If it is made big to the extent that the workers in Jamaica alone can't handle it, you know, go to other countries, get
We have water commission in Jamaica.
yeah, you have to go to other countries.
And that's where rain never come from. The rum from the sugar place.
you used to cut. If you cut me off now, I'll just forget what I'm
Alright,
saying.
sorry.
I'll forget what I'm saying. I concentrate.
Look cutie. You know, some look cute. Sugar company. Sorry, come. Yeah. You forget?
No, I don't
I see a
forget.
little chicken brain.
Waiting for you. See now.
Alright,
You're
go
not
on,
looking for trouble.
Alright,
And
go on.
I say I'm not chicken bread now. You say.
You know, joke me, me just say a little chicken bread easy forget. Me joke me, make. If I forget so quick.
You like talk. You talk.
I was not
You
talking.
don't even allow someone to finish his own sentence.
Alright, go on, finish.
When Jehovah's Witness come our house, you don't give me the chance.
Don't worry, you have chance
You don't
tomorrow.
give me the chance at all. You just take control and I'm alone. And you support them and you join them and you tell them about your grandfather said this, he said that.
Are you gonna finish the topic? Because I'm sure that our viewers and subscribers would like to hear what you were saying.
So what I was saying is, you see all those companies I'm talking about is not in a small scale level, like as you said. It is in a big scale level. Go to other countries, get an agreement with them that you, Jamaica, have to be supplying them all those things. Make an agreement with them either by peace or by force, because that's how most agreements are done, you know. And then you get lot and lot of work and supplies to do. And then you can't do it. You need people, you need immigrants, you need other people, and then you set up a university. And then when you set up a university, you're going to be teaching in patois, and you're going to teach them to produce that sugarcane the way you want. So if they use the patois, they will pass. You give them certificate, then it becomes a university or something. It becomes
University of Patois.
Of course. Then you have TV station, newspaper station to promote it. University of Patois, give it a name. Then that patois becomes valid, valuable, respected, and widely accepted. That's it.
Well, our patois widely accepted anyway, so it's only Jamaican alone can do it.
In that case now, if you don't speak patois, he will be telling you you're speaking, your English is not good. You're speaking Liverpool English, Queen English. You have to speak Jamaican patois. That is the real one. That is how it is.
He just give it to me and my mom. He's telling my mom that my mom don't speak properly.
You know?
Isn't it, Mom? Yeah. But you don't understand, that's just our accent, Jidan. That's where we were from.
Not only him, many people used to say that just because many people used to, you know, if you can't beat them, you join them.
But
You know?
you can keep your dumb accent.
What?
And then you can keep your dumb accent.
Don't worry, I'll speak for you. If that's what's gonna make you happy.
So, viewers, if you see any of your brothers or sister that is trying to talk to you in another man's language, you know that the brain of that person has not yet developed enough. Just pity the person. You know, pity the person. The person is still under the spell of illusion of inclusion. The person think.
Mommy, why you laugh? It's true though. Imagine say you have a Jamaican, yeah? But especially when them come here same time and then come a little bit before you, and then them in a little argument or talking or conversation, and then just start a I speak be a what you call it English by you. And you did I say, you know, more be a show.
Yeah. So you see, little by little, people should reclaim back. I know Jamaicans are very honest, loyal, and upholding their roots, which is Africa. Most Jamaicans are like that. That is the beginning of wisdom. You can't reject your root because of being poor, or because of being laughed at, or because of being insulted, and cling yourself to your former punisher, even present punisher. It is act of stupidity. So for Jamaicans having this mentality, it is okay. It is little by little, the next step and the next thing the next generation should start thinking of doing is try to change their name out of formal slave masters. Try to change their name. Smith, Bill, all these things means something in the land of the oppressors. There are other names in Jamaica that will mean something pertaining to Jamaicans that people should start emulating to establish. If not, it's like you have no base.
Jordan, did you know by fire by force OJ will have to learn his Igbo accent? Did you know? What you gonna say to him? Not sure, Robert. Are you not good?
I don't know, because I'm not always at home. Children always picks up the mother's language. That is why all languages in this world is called mother tongue. You know, if I had Louisa or Divine, it would be better, because they will be there all the time, and he will be so proud of it when he grows, if it happens that way.
You reckon?
Of course.
Yes, now, because at least he know another
yeah,
language,
it is nothing to be ashamed of. It is a knowledge added, and people that learn different languages at childhood develop more brain and more ability to learn more languages and more other things more easily. You know, it will be a big advantage. But the only thing is, I'm not always at home. It's okay.
I think we should end the video now because it's a bit long.
Okay.
So guys, it's just a little conversation. So we're gonna end the video now.
A little conversation.
Comment, like, share,
Come on,
subscribe.
Come on.
Share your thoughts down below. Thank you guys for watching. Please share our videos. Support